Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file my tax refund on IRS full guide. Start by gathering W-2s, Form 1099, bank routing and account numbers, and proof of identity before you begin. Choose e-file or paper filing based on speed and convenience, and consider direct deposit for fastest refund. Keep copies of all forms, use available free file options if eligible, and double-check calculations to avoid delays today. Collect all income and deduction documents before filing to save time and reduce errors. Include W-2, Form 1099 for freelance income, 1098 for mortgage interest, and receipts for deductible expenses. Verify Social Security numbers, dependent info, and bank routing details for direct deposit. If using tax software, create a secure account and enable two-factor authentication. Keep digital backups and a printed copy for your records in a safe place today. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to life, perfect for timing your tax breaks or celebrating refunds. It fits any room, pairs with smart lights, and responds to voice commands for hands-free convenience. Check the description for a link and other deals to save on tech. Now let's get back to the video. Decide between e-file and paper filing based on convenience and processing speed. E-file offers faster refunds, often with direct deposit to your bank account, while paper filing takes longer. Consider free file options if your income qualifies, or use reputable tax software for guided steps. Review all entries, claim eligible credits, and sign your return electronically or by hand. Mail paper returns with tracking if you choose that route today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.